Hey, what's going on, broskies? I'm gonna show you how to clean a K&N filter. You can see this one has a good amount of dirt. So I got this. Of course, I'm gonna have the link in the description. All right, let's see what we got here. It is pretty easy to do. The only annoying thing is that you have to let the filter dry when you wash it. So we got the cleaner and we got the oil and some instructions. Okay, now the very first step is you gotta spray the cleaner on both sides of the filter. The dirty side and the clean side. So I'm gonna take you to my dungeon. You can see all the dirt that's coming off already. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and come back and rinse it. Alright broskis, 10 minutes went by. I'm gonna rinse it off. And when you do rinse it off, only rinse it off from the clean side towards the dirty side. So this is a clean side. And you can see all that dirt that came out. See that dirt? That means the filter is doing its job. Make sure you get these edges. I saw a bunch of dark water coming out. Okay, then you give it a shaky. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay, now it's important to let the filter dry naturally. Don't blow compressed air or use a heat gun or anything, because you can damage the filter. So you have to let it dry naturally. It could take up to a day in some cases, but what I'm gonna do is put it close to the furnace. You can see the water is dripping. I'm gonna put it close to the furnace with a paper towel and let it dry. And if that filter is really dirty, repeat the first step. Respray it and let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse it. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean out the air box. There is some debris in here, some little rocks, as well as in this groove where the filter seals. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start cleaning this air box here, remove all that, and while the filter is drying, I'm gonna proceed to the next video, installing the power commander. Alright guys, some time went by. I installed the power commander while that thing was drying. I got the air box back on. So back to the filter here. As it was drying, I rechecked it and I noticed there was a bunch of bugs still stuck in there. They wouldn't come out, so I carefully disturbed them with this really carefully to break them free, and I reapplied the cleaner and rinsed it again, and I got as much as I could, but there's still a few stuck in there still. I know this is not the approved way, but sometimes, you know, you gotta improvise. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray the oil. There's two types of oil cans. One is a spray type, like this one, which means you just press on it and it sprays oil. They also have a different one where you squeeze a bottle. So if you have that type, just squeeze a bottle and go on each one of these with that oil. But I got the spray one, so I'm gonna use this. And what you do is you spray it on the side that the air gets sucked up in. So this was a dirty side. Obviously this is a side where the air comes in and it comes out. Because if you spray on this side, it's gonna be sucking that oil in the engine. Give it a nice shake, and I'm gonna jump outside. It's kind of cold, but I don't want to have that oily stuff in here. Okay guys, I got a good amount on there, and you let this sit for a while, let it marinate, and you check if there's like any white spots left, like oil didn't go there. You should revisit it and spray some more so it covers it. But you can see I got a good amount on there. It has that nice reddish color now again, compared to the other side where it's like more white. And of course wipe the excess around. Alright guys, it looks good. As you can see, it's working its way over here, here. So that's gonna get absorbed on its own in a few minutes or in a few hours. So this looks good to me. It's gonna go back on the bike and we are good. It is pretty interesting how it works. I just wish those bugs, they want to get stuck in there. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's gonna go back here. And we're gonna wrap it up for today. And obviously the next video, it's gonna be the Power Commander installation and map install. And with that being said, I better go edit some videos. So I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, really quick. As the filter is sitting, like I said before, it's getting absorbed. That oil is getting absorbed. Just want to share that with you. If there's a spot where it's still white, go on the other side and respray it. But we're gonna be good with this one.